Don't date one. Instead of trying to perpetuate the idea that women shouldn't become CEOs because men don't like that.
And a lot of the women are displaced because they're looking for a high earner, but that high earner...
To these women, 19 years old, and they're wanting men at a certain level. And these men in this room with their peers know they can't date them. They don't make enough money. And these women looking over at them like, come back to me when you have $100,000. That wasn't how it was when I was in college.
Right.
This is a recent phenomenon of the last 20 plus years as to where normal average ain't good enough. Everybody has to have a Mercedes, and you have to have a BMW, and we have to have a 5-bedroom house plus a vacation home, and we have to be able to travel to Europe. I'm like, wait a minute. We were happy if we went to Six Flags or Disneyland, but now you got to go to Paris?
Right.
Where'd this come from, this insatiable, we were made consumers?